Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get cards in Plants vs. Brain Rot. So you can get it by going to the shops and purchasing it, obviously. Then if you go to Central Island, you are able to get it from the daily rewards. Okay, I have 8 more hours. I think you can get it from here, I'm not sure. But you can get it by rebirthing as well. You'll get a card pack, as you can see here. More luck and more money. But I still need this secret and I haven't gotten it yet, so hopefully I'll get that soon. And that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.